Welcome back to our journey through Puntarenas, Costa Rica. In this second installment of our three-part series, we begin our adventure at the majestic Eagle's Nest Airbnb sitting atop a 2,000-meter mountain. Nestled amongst the mountains, this picturesque retreat offers the perfect ambience for relaxation and birdwatching, surrounded by breathtaking vistas. Our exploration continues as we board a ferry from Puntarenas, motoring towards the enchanting Isla Tortuga, or Turtle Island in English. With crystal clear turquoise waters and vibrant marine life, this island paradise promises an unforgettable snorkeling adventure. Get ready to dive into a world of underwater wonders and discover the beauty that lies beneath the surface. We hope you enjoyed this captivating leg of our journey through Puntarenas, Costa Rica, but the adventure doesn't end here. Make sure to join us for the final part of our series, where we continue to uncover even more hidden treasures in this beautiful country. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the exciting conclusion. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.